on our way, as you can see from the title, Disney Wish again. I think this is our 5th cruise, Disney cruise.
This is our 5th Disney cruise.
Disney cruise. Whoa, that road just merged out of nowhere. Our 5th Disney cruise. So they've just launched Pearl. Did you see? They've launched Pearl. So if you do 25 cruises or more, you're now Pearl level.
I have no idea what benefits you get for Pearl level.
I do.
We're just looking forward to the next one, getting the gold.
Yeah.
Finally, we get discount.
Gold. Loads of people complaining about Pearl. It doesn't give you enough. Like people were saying that they wanted preference to boarding, so you could board really early, and it doesn't even give you that. So people were complaining. Anyhow, so if this is something you want to see, you want to see the Wish, we're going to try and vlog different elements of the Wish this time. So like what you can do as an adult in the evening. We've got early dining, so we did late dining last time, which was 8 o'clock. This 8:15 I think it is. So this time we've got 5:45 dining, so it'd be good to see how that is. So the dining on the Wish, if you're a small party, you sit with everybody else. So you sit on a table of 6 or 4, maybe 6 probably. That's what we did last time. So we're going to see if we can just sit with a table of 2, just us 2, because it's easier for the vlogging and
for all the plates that are going to go on the table. Because I intend to
munch your way through everything. It's only a 3-night cruise. It goes to Bahamas and Castaway Cay, which are our, well, Castaway Cay is our favourite, Bahamas not so much, but we'll stay on anyway. But we'll be able to see how much they've completed the new terminal.
Oh, at Nassau. Yeah. Last time it was coming along really, really well. Yeah,
so we can see that, and just we can't wait to go back into the Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge. Love that place, so that'd be fun.
Yeah. We're going to try different drinks this time.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to push the boat out. And having been to Olga's Cantina and got some of the alcoholic drinks there, they were lovely.
Yeah, they were fun, weren't they?
They were brilliant.
Right, so that's what we're up to.
Strangest looking bridges.
Where you drop off your luggage, and it's roughly $1 to $2 per suitcase, was it, or $1 to $2 per person? I can't remember now.
$2 per suitcase.
Per suitcase, you just drop off and give to the porters, and then so we do this. Luggage is all dropped off. And then straight opposite, we stopped at number 1, is parking. You pay before you go in.
Please insert your credit card now to pay the amount shown on the display.
56 cents for a 3-night cruise. It says enter in here. So we're going to go level 3, it's suggested. Do you remember?
Yeah.
All the way through customs, check in. It's easier getting off than it is getting on. Oh my goodness, here we go guys.
Please welcome aboard Kpjpflorida.
Oh, thank you. First ride in the lift. Eating the ice cream, but plate number 1 underway by JP. Let's eat.
star there is powered by the wishing wands you hold in your hands. So, raise them up. When all these hands and hearts come together to make our very first dish, that is when the enchantments really begin. So, let's wish for enchantment and adventure. Let's all wave our wands together and say, wishes do come true. Right at the start. Here we go, everyone. Wishes do come true. Yes, everyone, and play. Just like
Change your dining or anything, you come into Luna and you just come in here and change
And
your
this is the
any
lounge.
yeah, anything to do with dining, any issues you've got at all. When you first board your ship, you just come into here and you can sort everything out.
And by the way, I was right. I was right. It's
About what?
now I was right. It was the Lunar Lounge.
It was the Luna
It's just
Lounge.
we passed around the top piece.
Yeah.
It looks like a
Wasn't it
gladiatorial
busy?
amphitheatre.
That's something I did say it had glass windows,
Yeah.
so I was right
I did
too.
say it got desks.
Oh, you got the door. Oh, nice. That porthole is gorgeous. Wow. It was so fun.
We have the traditionals.
Oh, the traditional bags and lanyard. It's really spacious. Ooh, got a little bath. H2O products. Ooh, we've got the body lotion, JP. Oh,
hello.
safe. Toilet.
Just in
Closet.
case I decide I want to get out.
Oh, this must be a parent one where you have the ladder. Yeah, the kiddies. And that's the ladder to the
This
kiddies.
falls down to a bunk bed.
Yeah, for little ones. Oh, it's really spacious. You like it?
Yeah.
Love it. Look all the way back and you see how spacious this is. So this is deck 9. It's really spacious, isn't it? Actually, when we came in, I thought it went round the corner. Did you?
Because of the mirror.
Yeah. My favourite place to sit. This is going to be gorgeous. This is a bit like the P&O Iona, where you have a window. But it had a cushion, didn't it?
Cushions.
Yeah. It had a cushion on the window. Look, we're right by the bridge. So cool. I really like this room. We've had some great rooms, haven't we?
That's awesome.
We've never been disappointed. Yeah, we've never been disappointed. Can't really see me. But yeah, just having a little sit. I wonder what it'd be like sitting on here when it's out to sea.
I don't know. If you give it a little bit of time, we'll be able to see.
Lovelies, we're going to end the vlog here because we showed you how to get here, how to park, a little bit of the cruise, a little bit of the food,
Bit of the room.
bit of the room, well, lots of the room.
Lots of room.
And we're now going to go and party and do the sail away, and then we'll join you later. The next video will be us eating in what's the
Arundel.
A very good afternoon, Disney Wish. This is Anne, your Assistant Cruise Director. And on behalf of Captain Fabian and the entire crew of the Disney Wish, we would like to warmly welcome you aboard. Just a friendly reminder that our mandatory emergency safety drill will take place at 3:55 p.m. today. Your assembly station can be found on your Key to the World card and within the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. I suggest taking a look now to find the location of your assembly station. Directions to your assembly station, which includes the emergency routes and exits, are posted on the back of your stateroom door. As a reminder, your entire party, regardless of age, are required to attend this mandatory portion of our safety process.
Whatever.
If you have not yet downloaded the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app, I do recommend you do so now, as it does house everything you need to know about entertainment, port adventures, dining.
And don't forget, hit subscribe, like, notification bell. Hope you're going to enjoy our lovely vlogs. It's just a 3-night cruise, as we said before, so short and sweet, but we're looking forward to it so much. So catch you later.